No two people are alike when it comes to pelvic pain. Everyone experiences it differently, and as such, each journey to relief will be different. We understand that your path to comfort is personal, and as symptoms may vary, so does your treatment with WAVE. And for those experiencing severe pelvic pain, it may take 2 or 3 cycles to achieve significant relief. But don't worry, it'll be worth the wait. Here are some guidelines to help you get the most out of your WAVE when dealing with severe pelvic pain. First, take a moment to familiarize yourself with WAVE before you need it. You'll find that it's easy to use and wonderfully relaxing. Then, when you need it, get comfortable. Whether it's bed or a couch, read a book, enjoy some tea, or focus on your breathing. Relaxation is key. When inserting WAVE, gently guide it close to the cervix. Don't force it. Find a spot that's natural and comfortable for your body. Be sure to use the WAVE for 60 to 90 minutes or until the battery runs out. Give yourself that time to unwind and let the WAVE work. Continue to relax even after the WAVE stops. Allow your body to adjust and process the relief. It's important to understand that pain relief isn't always immediate. Many people experience a gradual improvement in their symptoms over time. This means, while you may not be completely pain-free right away, you can expect to feel less discomfort as the months go by. Remember, we're here to support you. Reach out to us with any questions you might have and find out how to make the most out of your WAVE.